About this item: cable management kit, 4 PCS cable sleeves, 20 in LX 0.4 in W, 20 PCS reusable wire ties, 35 cable clips plus 11 cord holders, 2 self-adhesive cable tie rolls. The length of each roll is 1/18 in, 20 PCS cable zip tie mounts, 3.54 L * 1.1 in W, 100 cable fastening ties, size of every, 7.87 in LX 0.12 in W, 6 kinds of cable clips. 46 PCS wire clips is made from eco-friendly polyamide 66 material, non-toxic, extra strong. Works on all clean surfaces like desks, walls, baseboards, cabinets, wood, ceramics, etc. 2 colors, black and transparent, meet your needs well. Premium material, made of highly durable and quality materials. The components included in this kit are built to last, ensuring clutter-free organization of your cords and cables for years to come. The included cable holders boast strong self-adhesive sticky pads, ensuring they remain affixed to your desired surface at all times. Easy to install. Our wire loom is split and easy to load wires. Once loaded, our braided cable sleeve will close on itself, and perfect wire wrap. No drilling, nailing or taping required. This cord protector also can keeps cat from chewing cables. 20 PCS plus 2 roll self-adhesive ties. Each wire ties is 5.75 in length and 0.5 inches in width. Include an eye hole in the tail, allowing the tie to be attached to a cable or hung from a hook. Multiple wire organizer can be attached together to form one longer tie. In the description to get this product.